My research shows, if you ask everybody, is your phone disrupting you? People say, yes, my phone is disrupting me. When you look at the data from the real world recordings, you realize that most of the time the phone is on mute somewhere, and people go proactively check it because there might be something new. So my area of research is what people actually do with their everyday devices in real life. And the emphasis is on what they actually really do. To understand that better, I use first-person wearable cameras to study what people do in their naturally emerging environments to really get into the nitty-gritty of the things that we do. People wear these cameras and film themselves doing everyday activities. The goal with that is to move away from the laboratory, to move away from an artificial situation and try to understand what people do in the moment. And it's really fascinating to see how people live their lives. And usually people are quite surprised because what they think they do and what they say they do is not at all what they actually do. My favorite question is, what's one thing that we can do to reduce our smartphone use? Unfortunately, there is no easy fix. There is no easy answer. I would love to give you one, but I can't. This is something where each of us as an individual, we need to check in with ourselves and we need to look at our habits. The first thing in the morning, your alarm clock, it's likely your phone, right? And then you check the phone. And the last thing before you go to bed, it's likely the phone. I think these are the most useful tools we've developed overall, but we're not using them in a smart way. We're not using them in the best way possible. And there's a lot of people making a lot of money off of our attention, out of our children's attention, but we're not really questioning the business models to the level that we should be questioning them, in my opinion. If you look around in public transport, maybe you're in public transport right now, if you're there, everybody else has headphones in. Everybody's staring at their screen. Nobody's there. Try talking to someone. They're not there. They're not actually there in the space anymore. And it's really important that we take back that public space, that we take back these interactions, rather than just withdrawing further and further into our own little bubbles.